Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to decorate my classic size dashboard layout, which is my catch-all for the week of February 26th, oh my gosh, through March 3rd. I'm going to use 𝗬𝗨𝗟𝗡. These are some new florals, and I'm going to use the matching kit. These are available in my shop now. I am right now doing Frugal February, so all stickers in my shop are 50% off. So if you haven't taken advantage of that sale, head over to my website, 𝗑𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗞.com, and get your stickers while you can. I'm still contemplating whether or not I'm going to continue the 50% off Frugal February. I haven't decided fully yet, so we'll see how that goes. And today I am babysitting a 6-week-old, my niece's daughter, so I guess that would be my great niece. So I think what I'm going to do is this little intro, and then I think I'm going to do just like sped up with some music in the background just in case she wakes up. She's asleep right now. But she's in the middle of a formula change, so she's a little bit fussy. Her mom actually is gone to Walmart to get new formula. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So you guys enjoy the music, and I might come back at the end of the video and just go over a few other things with you, and then we'll be done. So enjoy it, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so I figured I'd hop in real quick and give you guys an update before the video finishes. So I'm actually doing this voiceover on Tuesday. I had a very busy weekend and really didn't feel very well. This time of year, the allergies, the pollen, everything is just killing me. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. But Sunday I had church, I had a baby shower, and just a whole day of not being home. So yesterday, I went ahead and finished up a lot of orders, they were getting close to my processing time deadline. So I do have 1 or 2 left to get done today so that I'm caught up on my processing time. But I ran into a hiccup with my sticker paper company. On the 21st, I ordered some clear sticker paper, a large order, and was expecting that to be here by the end of the week, or at least yesterday. Yesterday I woke up to an email from them saying that they had a production issue, I believe, something like that, manufacturing issue with their clear sticker paper, and that they didn't expect it to be back in stock until March 4th. So I had to request a refund, which I still haven't gotten, but they did tell me they were going to refund that money. And I went ahead and placed a clear sticker paper order with the other vendor that I've used quite a bit. So I'm waiting on that to get here so that I can continue getting caught up on your orders. There's always something, and so, you know, it is what it is. I can't control it. I did try to order the sticker paper early. I just can't believe that it took them almost a week to let me know that they didn't have the sticker paper. But anyways, so that's just a little order update. Wanted to remind you that I do still have the Frugal February sale going on. So if you haven't gotten your stickers, or if you want to get more stickers, go ahead and head over to 𝗑𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗞.com. And all stickers are automatically discounted to 50% off. You don't need a code. And I think I am going to extend that at least for the time being. So Frugal February will continue on into March. And then I do plan on having a new release at the end of this week. So if you want to hold off and wait and get some new releases at 50% off, that is fine too. Make sure you head over to my website and sign up for emails. That way you get notified every time I have a new release or have special coupons and discounts, and you get sneak peeks, all kinds of fun stuff over there. So head over to 𝗑𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗞.com, scroll down the home screen, and there's a place to sign up for emails. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Just wanted to say I love you guys. I thank y'all so much for sticking with me since I did this voiceover, because I was babysitting and, you know, then ran into a bunch of hiccups and a busy weekend and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to film some more videos today, and I will do my normal routine for those videos. So I'll see you guys on those. Love y'all. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.